Hello, welcome to 3D Passionate. This is great news on Cinema 4D. So in this video, I'm gonna demonstrate how to Auto Retopology in Cinema 4D. It's more like Zbrush Zremesher. Okay, let's go into it. I have Cinema 4D 21 here. You can follow this with lower version of Cinema 4D. Okay, let's create simple cube and also sphere and adjust radius and hold Ctrl and drag to duplicate and place somewhere right here, and grab these two and Alt G, group them, also add them into bully. Okay, we have this bully object, and let's decrease this radius. Okay, we have this object, and let's duplicate. In the past, what we do is just select and maybe we toggle on some of this and we make editable and select some edges like this, and from break select all edges and bevel, and we have such kind of result. This is before. Now at this time, for example, we add subdivision, we get such kind of result. But at this time it's not our problem, because we have some great tool in Cinema 4D, which is Quad Remesher. Actually this is a plugin. I give you a website for this in the description below. You can get it and unhide this. What we have to do is select this bully and only select these two. By default we have these two, and we want this for this plugin is create single object and high quality, and also select this and the remeshes. Voila, we have great results related to this, and we are to subdivision, but we get some artifact and bulge effect, and we should resolve that also. Okay, let's unhide. What we have to do is NB. What we have to do is select these two spheres, increase their segments up to 100, because let's go back to 60 of this segment, because this artifact, as you see, its break is not curved, because of we have this point to this point distance, it affects this problem. So we make this sphere segment up to 1000 to decrease this problem. So just select a bully and don't forget these two and just remesh it. Voila, we get cool results related to this two. Okay, also we can play with the edge to give the bubble effect, and what we have to do is hold V and select from break selection. Also this attribute, make it 45 degree and select all. This selects the desired edge, and also hold V, select and set selection, and go to deformer, hold shift, click bevel, and it's make a child of this object. Also, what we have to do in bubble deformer is untoggle or off this and grab this selection into this empty space and NB to see the wireframe, and we can increase segment subdivision like this, but 1 is good. Also we can play with this offset, but at this time 0.5 is good. Also we can add subdivision. Okay, see, we get a cool result, and we can play with this bubble with our offset or this chamfer by increase these offsets like this. I think 2 or 3 is good. Yeah, that's it. This is great result at this time. I think this plugin is created, I think 2009. Yeah, it's a new plugin. Okay. Also, for example, NB, we have a lot of polish over here, and we should take care of that or decrypt this topology. So what we have to do is also just select this 3, grab them over here and unhide our bubble, and what we have to do is just decrease. We have 5000, just make it 1000. We minus 4000 and remesh it. Voila, we have this kind of topology. I think it's 974. It's cool, but we have our target quad count is 1000, but it's cool result. And yeah, you can play with this like we did this like bubble and subdivide, and play with this. Okay, we have this simple object. We made this simple object. And what about a complex object like let me show you, like this. I think it's no chair, but I made it, I named it a chair. And let's see, NB, we have here undesirable topology. Also here is Auto Remesh. And let's get into how we did this. Let's hide this subdivision, and let's see what we have in this bubble. Okay, we have some tools, some objects. Most of them are primitive, but this let's solo this. But we have this object. It's created by Boolean 4 queues, 1, 2, 3, 4 queues. I bully them with union. Also, we have this these two primitive, capsule and cylinder. Also, I made bullied them with union Boolean type, and just adjust their place to make that kind of chair like shape, and add them in the bully like this, and we face such kind of topology, and select our bully and toggle on these two and just remesh it. It takes a little bit time, and wait for it. Voila, we get good results. Yeah, as you see, it is great result. Also, let's back and reset it, and let's remesh again. Yeah, take time. Voila. Also, we have good result with equal polygon distribution. Okay, that's it. And let's play with this edge and hold V selection, form break selection, and on the attribute phone angle is 45 and selects all, and we don't want this selection over here, and unselect this. Okay, also up here. Okay, and also hold V selection, set selection, and add some bubble here, and hold shift and click and toggle this off, and grab our selection, drop here, and let's add 1 and make it 0.5. I think 0.5 is great. Also, we can add into it subdivision, and voila, we can get such kind of shape. Also, we have some kind of problem over here, some artifacts, but it's phone just angle limit. Yeah, phone tag just toggle off this. See, we resolve this by this. Okay, that's it for today. I will come back soon with other interesting and important tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be benefit. Also, if you want to say anything, write it down on the comment below. And ciao. See ya.